Hi guys, this is Zimbabwe. Today we are talking about the ZPCS, Zimbabwe Prisons and Correctional Services. Let's get into the video. Like and subscribe, support your boy, get your boy to 500 subs. Let's get into the video.
Okay guys, so today we are going to be talking about the training and the personnel uniform, the drills and the band of the ZPCS. Let's get into the video. According to Google, 22,878 prisoners held in Zimbabwe, which means car hijackers, armed robbers, these prisoners or inmates are extremely dangerous. So training yakasimba, like I think 6 months. I will confirm 6 months or so. Okay guys, we move on to the personnel uniform. Yeah, this is my favorite part. I mean, uniform yao yakanaka. Uniform yakanaka, vese wakafitwa, vese wakachena. Those caps, they are kind of similar to kweZPCS. By the way guys, watch the kweZPCS video, it is a nice one. I think overall it is a nice uniform in Africa. I'll give it a 7.5 out of 10. Hey, we'll move on to the drills. Last video kweZPCS ndakaipa high rating. Don't know how I to say. Haha.
I'm sure our youth within prisons also deserve to benefit from the youth empowerment program.
High rating in the last video. This one I liked it. This one is a solid 9.5 out of 10. Lastly, we move on to the band. Guys, let's appreciate the correctional services of Zimbabwe. They're doing a great job. The beauty of the ZPCS. So far hansana mbona vanhu vanotamba vandaona ndo the ZPCS nethe zeta rapid. Tichazoona zvedu kuarmy patichaita the next video. Tatimboonei. Thank you for watching guys, but hatingazo close the video tisati taona Dudu Master. Like and subscribe.
Okubabhadizana Johani uye kutengesana chitaza akarere vane machitaza vanotenda muzita rake